Yes, welcome back to Tech Product, where today we're exploring the top 3 best graphics drawing tablet options to boost creativity, precision, and productivity for artists, students, and professionals alike. From compact portability to advanced pen features, these tablets cover it all. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the Huion Inspiroy H640p graphics drawing tablet. The Huion Inspiroy H640p graphics drawing tablet is designed to streamline creativity through smart customization and a natural drawing experience. Its 6 easily accessible press keys can be tailored to your preferred shortcuts, allowing you to work more efficiently across various creative applications. The ability to assign different shortcut settings per app through the Huion driver ensures a smooth and personalized workflow, whether you're sketching, editing, or taking notes. At the heart of the tablet is the battery-free PW100 stylus, offering 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity for precise and responsive control. Lightweight and comfortable to hold, it closely mimics the feel of a traditional pen, making every stroke intuitive. Its side buttons provide quick switching between tools, supporting uninterrupted focus. Built with portability in mind, the H640p features a slim 0.3-inch profile and weighs just 1.41 pounds, making it easy to carry from home to school, work, or travel. Its compact size also makes it ideal for small workspaces without compromising performance. The tablet offers broad compatibility, supporting Mac, Windows, Linux, and Android devices, making it highly versatile for different setups and user preferences, including left-handed operation. While it does not support iOS, it remains an excellent choice for a wide range of platforms. Beyond creative use, the H640p serves as an intuitive mouse alternative, enabling precise control for tasks such as signing documents, annotating, digital note-taking, and general navigation. This can help reduce wrist strain while improving accuracy. Whether used as a drawing pad, writing pad, signature pad, or trackpad, the H640p integrates seamlessly with popular creative software like Photoshop, SAI, and Medibang Paint, as well as productivity tools used in online education and remote work such as OneNote, Zoom, and Microsoft Whiteboard. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for artists, students, and professionals alike. Next up at number 2 comes the Wacom Intuos graphics drawing tablet. The Wacom Intuos graphics drawing tablet is designed to bring digital creativity to life with a smooth, natural, and highly responsive drawing experience. Built with Wacom's advanced EMR technology, it offers pen-on-paper precision without the need for batteries, ensuring uninterrupted workflow and exceptional control. Every stroke feels intuitive, making it an ideal tool for artists, designers, illustrators, and anyone exploring digital expression. Its compatibility extends across virtually all creative software, allowing users to draw, paint, retouch photos, edit videos, design graphics, or annotate documents with ease. Whether you work in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Krita, Clip Studio Paint, or any other platform, the Intuos adapts effortlessly to your needs. This versatility makes it a powerful companion for both beginners and experienced creators. The built-in Bluetooth connectivity enhances convenience by enabling a completely wireless workspace. You can also connect via USB when preferred, giving you the freedom to create at your desk, on the sofa, in a classroom, or outdoors. Lightweight and portable, it encourages creativity wherever inspiration strikes. Upon registration, users gain access to a selection of creative software and Wacom's online training resources, adding extra value and guidance for improving artistic skills. Backed by over 40 years of innovation and leadership in pen display technology, Wacom ensures reliable performance and high-quality craftsmanship. With a legacy trusted by professionals worldwide, the Wacom Intuos small Bluetooth tablet offers an engaging and seamless creative experience that empowers you to explore ideas, refine techniques, and bring your imagination to life. And finally, taking the #1 position, it's the Ugee S640 graphics drawing tablet. The Ugee S640 graphics drawing tablet is a versatile, paperless solution for digital creativity. Designed to be both compact and lightweight, it measures just 1 centimeter thick and weighs only 200 grams, making it easy to carry and ideal for small workspaces with its 6.5 by 4-inch active area. This tablet is suitable for a wide range of users, from children taking their first steps in drawing to students needing a convenient tool for note-taking, and even elderly users who are less comfortable with traditional keyboards. The tablet supports a variety of creative tasks, including drawing, sketching, animation, photo editing, and lettering. Its wide compatibility ensures it works seamlessly with Mac, Windows, Chrome OS, Linux, and Android devices, allowing users to draw directly on their phones when needed. It integrates with popular applications such as Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, Zoom, XSplit, Adobe Photoshop, Paint Tool Say, Illustrator, Corel Draw, Corel Painter, Sketchbook, Manga Studio, and Clip Studio Paint. Replacing the traditional mouse and keyboard, the Ugee S640 comes with 10 customizable hotkeys for common actions like zoom, undo, save, and delete. Its battery-free pen features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, 60-degree tilt support, and comes with 10 replacement nibs. This makes it suitable for activities like online teaching, virtual meetings, OSU gaming, and digital signing, providing a smooth, natural drawing experience while reducing the need to switch between devices. The tablet's surface simulates a frosted paper texture, enhancing control and precision. The combination of high pressure sensitivity and tilt functionality allows the pen to replicate the natural variation of line thickness and darkness, offering drawing enthusiasts an expressive and accurate creative tool for every project. That's our top graphics tablet lineup. Don't miss out on getting your perfect creative companion. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Tech Product for more tech insights and comparisons.